Today in this video we are going to know about errors in measurement. As we know, it is impossible to measure the exact value of a physical quantity because uncertainties are always associated with measurement. So this uncertainty is termed as error. Here, see the error, the result of every measurement by any measuring instrument contains some uncertainty. This uncertainty is called an error. So error is equal to true value minus measured value. So now what is the true value? Mean of all observations, all measurements is taken as true value. Individual observation, individual measurement is termed as measured value. Errors may be classified into various categories as constant error, systematic error, least count error, random error. We will see one by one. First, the constant error. If same error is repeated every time, whether that is positive or negative, then error is said to be constant. The reason behind this error is faulty calibration of the scale of measuring instrument. Systematic errors, it is always one directional, either positive or negative. See, in the constant error, that is same error, but here always one directional, either positive or negative. The reason behind the systematic error are shortcoming of the measuring methods, imperfection of the theory, lack of accuracy of formula used. The systematic error are classified into four major categories. First is instrumental error, means inherent error involved in the instrument. Errors due to external source like pressure, temperature, wind. Errors due to internal source means limitations. These errors due to limitations of experimental arrangement. And personal error. This error arising due to personal peculiarities of the observer. For example, parallax. Now the least count error. Least count, the smallest value that can be measured by measuring instrument, is called least count. The least count error is associated with the resolution of the instrument. Least count, for example, if we take the least count of screw gauge or vernier calipers is number of one main scale division divided by number of division on circular scale or vernier scale. This error can be reduced by using an instrument of small least count. So if we are going to measure if a physical quantity can be measured by vernier calipers and screw gauge both, then the least count of screw gauge is less than that of vernier calipers. So to avoid least count error, we should use screw gauge. And the fourth is random errors. The errors which are neither constant nor occurring due to definite pattern or system. These errors are governed by chance. So how we can minimize? The random error can be minimized by doing number of observations and taking arithmetic mean of all. See here 5 questions for practice. What do you mean by an error? Write the reason of constant error. If zero of circular scale of a screw gauge is before the zero of main scale, then the error associated with it is. What do you mean by least count of a device? Why we take arithmetic mean of all measurements? So once again we can say the error can't be removed, only it can be minimized. So carefully we should involve in the measurement of any physical quantity.